Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart. If you're exploring cryptocurrency exchanges and considering Bitmart, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through a detailed review of Bitmart, covering everything from features to trading fees and how to get started with the Bitmart referral code V4BRyF. So let's dive right in. Bitmart is one of the leading crypto exchanges, offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading options. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Bitmart has something to offer. By using the referral code V4BRyF when you sign up, you can access some fantastic bonuses. Let's talk about what makes Bitmart a great choice for crypto trading. Bitmart was founded in 2017 and has quickly grown into a significant player in the crypto exchange market. With millions of users worldwide, Bitmart provides a robust platform for trading, investing, and earning in the crypto space. Bitmart boasts a user-friendly trading interface that caters to both beginners and seasoned traders. Here are some key features. Wide range of cryptocurrencies. Bitmart supports over 90 cryptocurrency pairs on the spot market. Real-time charting offers advanced real-time charting tools for traders. Futures trading provides up to 100x leverage for futures trading. Demo trading allows beginners to practice trading without risking real money. Crypto lending. Users can earn interest on their crypto holdings. Educational resources. Bitmart offers guides and tutorials to help users navigate the crypto landscape. Getting started with Bitmart is easy. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Visit the Bitmart website. Open your browser and go to bitmart.com. 2. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner. 3. Fill in your details. Enter your email, create a password, and fill in other required information. 4. Enter the referral code V4BRyF. During the sign-up process, make sure to enter V4BRyF in the designated field to claim your bonuses. 5. Complete registration. Follow the prompts to complete your registration, and you're all set. Using the code V4BRyF is key to unlocking those referral benefits. Once you've signed up, you need to verify your identity. Here's how. 1. Log in to your Bitmart account. 2. Go to Profile. Identification. Click on Complete Now on the pop-up. 3. Confirm your country. Make sure it matches your ID. 4. Fill in personal details. Enter your information and click Continue. 5. Verify your ID. Upload the required documents and provide a selfie. 6. Complete facial recognition using your device's camera. 7. Wait for approval. Bitmart will notify you via email once your verification is complete. This process ensures the security of your account and allows you to access all the features of Bitmart. Understanding the fee structure is crucial for any trader. Here's a breakdown. Maker and taker fees. Bitmart operates on a maker and taker fee model, where makers, those who add liquidity to the market, and takers, those who remove liquidity, are charged different fees. Fee levels. Fees vary based on your trading volume and can range from 0.10% to 0.25% for takers and 0.05% to 0.10% for makers. Deposit and withdrawal fees. These fees depend on the currency and method used. Bitmart takes security seriously. They employ advanced security features including cold storage. The majority of user funds are stored in cold wallets, which are not connected to the internet. Two-factor authentication, show 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to user accounts. Regular audits, conducted to ensure the integrity of the exchange's security systems. Trading on Bitmart is straightforward. Here's a quick guide. Log in, access your Bitmart account. Navigate to the trading page. Choose the market you want to trade in. Place your order. Select the type of order, market, limit, or stop limit, and enter the details. Execute. Confirm and execute your trade. Bitmart offers robust customer support, including 24/7 live chat for immediate assistance. email support for more detailed inquiries, educational resources, guides, tutorials, and FAQs to help users navigate the platform. Let's summarize the pros and cons. Pros: wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, user-friendly interface, advanced security features, and educational resources. Cons: some users may find the trading fees higher compared to other platforms. All right, that's it for today's video. Bitmart offers a comprehensive trading experience with numerous features to enhance your crypto journey. Remember to use the referral code V4BRyF when you sign up to enjoy some great bonuses. Don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more crypto tips and guides. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Happy trading. See you in the next video. Bye.